Hi everyone. This is a MH1905 EVB Ubuntu installation demo video. In this video, we will show you how to install Ubuntu system into MH1905 EVB. Hardware requirements. For hardware requirements, we required to have MH1905 EVB with RS-232 connector and power supply for 12 volts. For installing Ubuntu, it required an extra micro USB to USB cable. Hardware connection. For hardware connection, it is required to connect the RS-232 cable on the left bottom corner. The 12 volts power supply will be located on the top right corner of the board. Finally, it is required to connect micro USB on the left of the power supply. Software tools. There are two software tools are required for Ubuntu OS installation. The first tool is the MegaHunt Flash Tools. This tools is specific for installing Linux system into MH1905. The next tool is a serial terminal. Serial terminal is used to show and control the result from MH1905. Serial setup. The serial terminal that I have been used for this demo is called SecurePi. You could use UTTY for the installation. For the serial setup, please set the serial terminal into 115,200 baud rate without any flow control. For details, please refer to the settings showed on this video. After the terminal has set correctly, please turn on MH1905. While MH1905 has turned on, it showed a selection table before entering into the Linux OS. Thus, please select number 3 to set MH1905 into USB download mode. This allows the Flash tools to install BusyBox into MH1905. USB download. In USB download mode, we could start to installing Ubuntu. First, we need to select the right-signed SPL image for Ubuntu OS. Next, we need to select the correct configuration file. After selected the correct configuration file, the tools shows all the required files in your folder. For serial, please find your USB's COM port. For flash type, please select non-flash. After all these settings, you could start installing Ubuntu by pressing download. This progress required around 2 minutes to install. After all the OS has been installed, Marshall Islands 1905 will restart and back to selection table. Ubuntu OS. After MH1905 auto reset, please select 0 on the selection table to normal flow. It starts to log in into Ubuntu OS. This progress takes around 1 minute. The Ubuntu OS that I used is a user mode version. This version will reduce a lot of repeating debug message from MH1905. After all the OK message has stopped, it requested for login information. Login information had showed on the video. By inputting the correct login information, you could have fun with Ubuntu OS. In this demo, it showed some basic commands to show it as a Ubuntu OS Linux system. USB download in user mode. In user mode, it does not have debug message or any selection table. It is required to change boot pins from non to USB mode. The boot pins are located on the right bottom corner of the board. Please follow the steps showed in this video. After the hardware settings are done, please turn on the MegaHunt Flash tools to install Linux OS. Please select the correct files for installing your Linux OS. When it started to install, it shows some debug message to show it is installing the OS. After it installed all the files, it a request for restarting the device. During USB mode, it could only used for installing Linux OS. From changing back to non mode, it could operate the Linux OS. After resetting the module back to non mode, it shows MH1905 could work as the Linux OS. For this demo, I had reinstalled Ubuntu OS user mode into MH1905. This video ends here. Thank you everyone for watching.